Full moon, clear sky, not ideal.
The ducks are not flying because the day is not fantastic for this kind of hunting. No wind. Well, the result is not exciting, but we are trying to keep the environment and the population until the end in a proper way.
Great morning. A lot of widgeon, teal. This is actually a rather uncommon duck for the area. Not even sure what it is in English, but incredible shoot. Fog rolled in, sort of was hot early. Fog rolled in, slowed down, but with the fog, while the action was slower, they were right in the decoy spread. Once they saw the decoys, they just came right in.
I think the bacons are sleeping through.
You guys light it up last night or what?
No, but somebody did. I have the distinct honor of helping Jason shoot his first duck. And I'm going to call in a duck for you. Very gently at first.
Yeah.
Vigorously.
Yeah.
And then... is that about right?
A little bit.
I tell you what, the biggest nightmare for a duck guide is seeing a dude like you walk down the stairs with your fucking duck calls out from your
They
neck.
said that this is going to be the most epic day since I allegedly missed a deer in Jamaica.
Yeah. Allegedly.
Queste zone umide sono speciali e particolari perché sono gestite privatamente. Abbiamo la proprietà e la concessione per la caccia di queste aziende, quindi rispettiamo molto gli animali, cacciamo una volta sola alla settimana e curiamo tutto l'ambiente e anche l'alimentazione affinché questi animali, che sono migratori selvatici che dal nord scendono fino qui, trovino tutte le condizioni per sostare e rimanere qui tutto l'inverno. Quindi questo rende questi ambienti, a parte la variabilità ambientale di vegetazione e di cose che ci sono, molto bello, anche particolare proprio perché viene gestito e curato dal punto di vista faunistico venatorio.
Okay, it's basically dark, but so where are we at? What are we doing?
We're in Italy right now. We're outside of Venice. A lot of old canals, estuary type waterways near the Mediterranean, and we're hunting ducks in Italy. Super cool, different kind of trip. Brian Reese invited us out to come do an awesome shoot. And it was like a great way to get a little combination of the best of duck hunting in Italy and a little bit of great eating in Venice.
Just absolutely booted one way out. One shot, just murked.
Now,
Yeah, what sound does a mallard make?
What is that from? Where is that from?
Yeah, I think Don got 50-something in Don's blind. Brian's blind, they got 40-something. Trevor's blind, they got 40 to 50-something. Dave and I got 8. Yeah.